Welcome to our guide video for Super X-Fi on iPhones. The all-new award-winning Super X-Fi technology delivers advanced personalized headphone audio, letting you magically transform audio content from movies, games, and music, all through your headphones. In this video, we'll be covering how iPhone users can enjoy Super X-Fi technology. As of now, the SXFI AMP does not work directly plugged into an iPhone. However, there is a workaround solution that many of our customers have found to work, which we will be going over. First, a disclaimer. This method is not the optimal solution, but for those of you who can't wait, it will let you experience Super X-Fi through the SXFI AMP and your iPhone in the meantime. You will need the following things: the SXFI headphone amp, a camera kit dongle from Apple which acts as an adapter from Lightning to USB Type-A, a USB Type-C to A cable, or a USB Type-C to A adapter, and an Android device with the SXFI app installed. The Android device is necessary to set up your custom listening profile, as the SXFI app is currently only available on the Google Play Store. We have a separate tutorial video on how to set up the app and capture your profile if it is your first time doing so. You can find that video here, in the app. If you need to recapture your profile at any time, you can do this by going to the Personalize section of the app. After taking the profile capture photos, plug in your amp and headphones, and select your headphones under Headphone Selection in the app. Your headphone's brand or model may not be listed here for now. If that's the case, you may choose to select unknown headphones or unknown earphones. Or you can try looking for the same or a similar brand as your headphones and see if those settings suit you. More headphone models will be added in the future. Please note that if you change headphones at any time, you will have to plug your amp in to your Android device, open the SXFI app, and update that change under Headphone Selection again, as all headphones are tuned differently. Once your profile is set up and transferred to your amp, it will be ready to use on any device. To use it with your iPhone, simply connect your amp to the camera kit via your USB Type-C to A connector. Then, connect the camera kit to your iPhone via its Lightning cable. Alternatively, you can use our included USB Type-C to C cable, then a USB Type-C to A adapter, and then connect to the camera kit and your iPhone. Now you're free to enjoy Super X-Fi with all your favorite content from your iPhone. On very rare occasions, when there's a high surge in volume, your iPhone may restrict the power supply to the amp and display a warning message. Unfortunately, this is something we are unable to control, but you can fix this issue by simply unplugging the camera kit from the Lightning port on your iPhone and reconnecting it. After which, the amp will work again. Once again, this is a temporary method and not the optimal solution for experiencing Super X-Fi with an iPhone, but it will work for those of you who are eager to experience Super X-Fi technology as soon as possible. If you have any more questions about Super X-Fi, please feel free to check our user guides and FAQ page. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the magic of Super X-Fi.